This is how you can get no ads on Disney+. First, I'll show what to do if you don't have Disney Plus subscription yet. Later, I'll show how to change your existing subscription. If you don't have Disney Plus yet, navigate to disneyplus.com. You can find my affiliate link in the description of this video that takes you directly to disneyplus.com. If you choose to use my link, you choose to support my work at no extra cost to you. Once you're on the website, scroll down to choose your plan section. Here, choose a suitable bundle for you. The cheapest one is Disney Plus and Hulu. To get no ads, you gotta choose the premium plan. The current price is $19.99 per month. You can also opt in for Disney Plus standalone plan, but it's only $1 cheaper per month, so it probably does not make sense because you can get all the Hulu content with $1. Once you've found a suitable bundle, go ahead and select it. You'll be asked to log in or create My Disney account. And at the checkout, you'll be asked to enter your payment details. Now, if you already have a Disney Plus subscription, you can get rid of the ads as follows. First, log into your Disney Plus account on web browser. Then click your profile picture on the top left corner, and from the menu, select Account. Here, select your current subscription under Your Plans and Billing. And next, under Subscription Details, select Change. Here, choose your new plan. The options vary based on your location, but the description will tell you whether the plan is ad-free. And that's it. Go ahead and check the latest deals on Disney Plus. You can find the link in the description. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.